If you experience back and joint pain, be sure to try this natural home remedy. And to make this remedy, you only need 2 ingredients. With this recipe, you will have enough to apply to your sore joints every night before you go to bed. I am sure you will feel very relieved in the morning. Before I say more about this, let me ask you, from which city are you watching this video? This homemade balm can keep your joints in good condition, and it also works well for varicose veins in the legs. To get started, we will need 1 medium-sized head of garlic. Peel the garlic and each of its cloves. The nutrients in garlic are amazing for our health. Rich in vitamins B6, vitamin C, manganese and zinc. These nutrients significantly improve joint and bone health. This is why it is more than recommended that you include garlic in your daily diet. Garlic even helps to eliminate toxins and pathological bacteria that affect the intestinal flora, and is very helpful in completing the treatment of worm infections. Let's crush the garlic cloves. This way we will find a very powerful active substance, allicin. Allicin has a strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial action, protecting your body from all possible inflammations and relieving existing diseases. It also improves blood circulation, making you feel less pain in your joints. The other ingredient for our recipe is extra virgin olive oil. Now, in a glass jar, we are going to add the garlic that we crushed at the beginning. Then add olive oil until it covers the amount of garlic. When these ingredients are together, they have a doubled healing power for sore joints and are specifically effective for treating arthritis. Shake your glass jar well. Store in a dark place, wrap it with a towel, and shake it every day. After the 2 weeks, you will notice that your balm has changed color. Let's sift the garlic and keep only the oil, which has already absorbed all the nutrients from the garlic in the time you left it to rest. Simply apply the desired amount of oil to the affected area and leave it on overnight. You can apply it where you have varicose veins, there are no side effects, and the garlic will not leave a smell on your skin. If you want to intensify the treatment, take 2 tablespoons of this oil every day. The message is in Proverbs chapter 21 verse 31. The horse is prepared for the day of battle, but the Lord gives the victory. This verse, however, makes it clear that the victory belongs to the Lord. He is our protector, our guide, and our salvation. Until the next video. Bye bye.